This final EFT session is designed to integrate everything you've learned throughout this course and anchor it into your body, your nervous system, and your identity. Up to now, you've reprogrammed how you think about wealth, how you hold vision, how you act without forcing, how you relate to time, value, gratitude, alignment, and source. This session is not about striving or effort. It's about stabilization. It's about making ease your new baseline. EFT works by calming the nervous system while bringing conscious awareness to old patterns that no longer serve you. When the nervous system feels safe, change becomes permanent. Today, we're anchoring the identity of someone who trusts themselves, feels safe expanding, receives without resistance, and allows wealth to flow naturally. As we tap, you don't need to force belief. Just allow the words to land. Your body will do the rest. Let's begin the tapping sequence. Tap gently and repeat after me. So you may tap on either side of your body or both and just follow what feels natural. So start with the karate chop, the side of the hand. Okay, so we start here and just repeat after me. Even though I'm releasing the old version of myself, I deeply accept who I am becoming. Even though I used to associate growth with pressure, I now choose ease and safety. Even though part of me learned to struggle, I'm open to living differently now. Now go to the eyebrow. I'm letting go of the old identity. Side of eye. I don't need to struggle anymore. Under eye. My nervous system is learning safely. Under nose. It's safe to receive more. Chin. I trust myself with expansion. Collarbone. Wealth feels calm in my body. Underarm. I no longer rush or force. Top of head. I am grounded, steady, and aligned. Back to eyebrow. This is my new normal. Side of eye. Ease is allowed. Under eye. Clarity replaces anxiety. Under nose. I act from alignment, not fear. Chin. I trust timing and flow. Collarbone. I stay connected to source. Underarm. I receive without resistance. Top of head. This identity is locked in. Now take a deep breath in, hold it, and release slowly. Now close your eyes and imagine yourself moving through your life from this new baseline. See yourself making decisions calmly. Feel your body relaxed as opportunities come to you naturally. Notice how grounded you feel while taking action. Picture yourself trusting yourself completely. No rushing, no proving, no chasing. Feel gratitude not as effort, but as your natural state. This is who you are now. Take one final deep breath. Gently open your eyes and carry this identity forward.